A very good morning everyone, and today we are in Italy. I love this country, and today we woke up around like 8 o'clock. We just had breakfast and now we're exploring the city called Brescia. It's super beautiful. We've done like a tour yesterday and today we just go to like a pastry shop to see the castle, and we are going to Bergamo afterwards. And I'm traveling with Anna, who I show you soon. And yeah, I hope you enjoy our Italian adventures. Yay, Anna, say hi. How do you find Italy so far?
Oh my god, we love it. I love it. So beautiful. The streets
Yes.
are colorful. The food is amazing. The bakeries are delicious.
We will try and find a bakery to try more Italian food
I
today.
know. We're gonna eat so much, and we have eaten so much already.
Yeah. How did you find the savory pasta?
Oh, the pasta, that was so good. Yesterday
Yeah.
we went to a local tavern. That was nice. So
Yeah. So now we'll do some sightseeing and find more food to eat probably. Italy is definitely one of my favorite countries. I love food, architecture, people, and of course it's always nice to go back and explore new areas. And now going back to Brescia, we are trying some desserts. So we got some pastry from the Italian shop and now we'll do a test. I got like a chocolate cookie thing. It looks like this. And it has like, I guess, cookie pieces, cacao and everything like that. So let's try. Delicious. Very chocolatey. This is what Anna got.
yes.
So cute. As it was our second day in Brescia, we did most of the sightseeing the day before. We left the castle for the next day, so we are climbing there now for the gorgeous views. And overall, I would say even if you have one day in this place, it probably would be enough. But of course, if you want to explore a bit more, you can stay 3 or more days because there are lots of restaurants and other unique things to do. So we made it to the castle and it has gorgeous views on the whole town. We climbed a bit of stairs, but it was definitely worth it. We made it to a very gorgeous library just now,
It
and
was stunning.
yeah, we didn't expect it at all. We just like walked in and people were studying and we were taking pictures and videos. But it's beautiful. I mean, would you study there, you think?
Oh, I think I'd get distracted by all
Yeah.
the beautiful interiors.
Yes, it's not like a very big space, but it's super cozy and it wasn't a lot of people as well, so it was nice. And yeah, we keep exploring the city. We don't have a lot time left, but then we are off to our next destination, which is Bergamo. Doggy. So cute. I love the dog. Let's try random dresses in Italy because why not?
Why not?
Okay, so we have arrived to Bergamo and now we are going to explore the city. Anna is getting ready. We're almost ready to go. Okay, we stopped by at the coffee shop to get some cappuccino because we are low on energy after all of the exploring, but then we'll join a tour around Bergamo. We have now climbed more stairs today to visit the old town of Bergamo. It has very nice views as well because it's on the top of the hill, and we'll explore here for a bit. I think the best part of traveling for me is that when you don't expect much from the location and then when you start exploring, you're like, oh my god, this is amazing, everyone should visit it. So basically, when we approached the old town, I realized how much there is to see comparing to Brescia as well. I mean, It's hard to compare both because they are quite different, but Bergamo, I would say, is a more touristy location and it was quite busy, and you won't believe it, but we did buy more sweets. We just got some traditional desserts to try, and we'll sit in this lovely square to have a rest for 5 minutes. So we went to a beautiful basilica with insane ceiling, like everything was painted to a very detail. And after that we went to a viewing point which was also like a tower, and it's sunset time, so it looked even more magical, and I would definitely recommend checking out the viewing point because you can see the whole Bergamo from a really nice perspective. And overall I'm impressed how much stuff it is to see here, especially if you're uphill. It's beautiful. We now have an ice cream stop and we'll try stracciatella ice cream because it's quite common for the area.
A parte il fatto che uno ve lo può dare se vuole.
I ended up getting strawberry instead. So we just took a cable car to make it to even higher points to catch the sunset, and we did see the sun, super red color. It's really hard to describe it, and I don't think that camera will show you how beautiful it was. But now we finished our tour and we will be going, probably looking for dinner. And we've done a lot of walking today, but as you can see, it was a beautiful location. We visited Bergamo on quite a foggy day, unfortunately, so we couldn't get a proper view of the hills nearby. But anyways, it didn't ruin the impression of the city. I still have really great memories about the place, and there are so many restaurant options. We were quite happy with the restaurant that we went to. It was on the main street as well. They had nice pasta, and of course we had tiramisu for dessert, which was lovely. And after that we made it back to the hotel, and next morning I had a flight to France, which was also very last minute, but I cannot wait to show you Strasbourg because it's a very pretty place with colorful houses, and I was dreaming to go there for a very long time. A very good morning everyone from Milan airport. So I finished my Italian journey unfortunately, and it's been amazing. I'm so grateful I could join Anna for this trip. We visited Bergamo yesterday and it's honestly a very beautiful city, and today I'm actually flying to Paris, France for an event which I'm looking forward to show you as well. I have a connection train to Strasbourg, which I've never been to before. It's all very last minute but super exciting, so I will see you in France.